Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arpita. A very warm welcome to all of you here. Today we are going to discuss about remote sensing and its application in vegetation analysis. Restoration and conservation are the need of the hour. It is of utmost importance these days. We should all think of it seriously and make an attempt to conserve nature. Remote sensing is a vital tool for vegetation analysis, offering comprehensive solutions for monitoring forest health, assessing crops, and land cover classification. It enables the detection of environmental changes like deforestation and drought, aids in conservation efforts such as wetland mapping and diversity preservation, and contributes to urban green space analysis and environmental impact assessments. Remote sensing images allows not only the simple detection of vegetation but also estimating the properties and qualitative aspects of vegetation that are relevant in various types of monitoring, such as height of the vegetation, plant vigor, successional stage, water and nutrient stress, biomass and carbon content, and identification of species. Remote sensing can be divided into two types of methods: the active remote sensing method and the passive remote sensing method. Vegetation mapping or extraction is done from the remotely sensed images by means of image classification methods and vegetation indices based on band ratioing. Now this picture gives us a very deep idea. Let's try to decipher it. Healthy vegetation also reflect near infrared radiation very highly. Because plants' pigments have adapted to absorb energy in the visible portion of the spectrum, absorbing the massive amount of near infrared wavelengths would cause the leaf to take in too much energy, heat up, and denature cellular structures within the plant. The strong reflectance in the NIR band makes vegetation easily distinguishable from other surfaces in remotely sensed imagery. Now, talking briefly about the various applications of remote sensing in vegetation analysis. Monitoring of suppression of vegetation in areas of direct and indirect impact of construction projects, accompanying changes in reforestation projects, monitoring of vegetation to improve management, for example, close to electrical grids, railroads, green areas, monitoring of environmental compliance in agricultural production chains, inspection of use of agricultural credit on rural properties, monitoring of forest-based production, monitoring of projects to reduce carbon emission by deforestation and forest degradation. The entire idea behind this lecture was to bring forth how important remote sensing is in vegetation analysis. My last message to you here for today is: do everything that you can do for nature conservation. That will definitely going to pay you in the long run. Till then, thank you and goodbye.